Okay, before I start the other example, I wanted to point out also that um, we, when we look at this equation that we just solved, um, you notice that the right side of the equation has one more x than the left side. So 3 on the right and 2 on the left is equivalent to 1 on the right and 0 on the left. You still have one more on the right than you do on the left. Okay. This one's a little more involved. Distributed property gives us negative 15x plus 27 equals negative 12 plus 4x, and I have this plus x tagging on the end there. Now the only difference between this equation and the one on the previous example is that here I still have some like terms on the right side of the equation that I can combine. So I'm going to rewrite the left side. Negative 15x plus 27 equals negative 12x. Oh, not negative 12x. Equals negative 12. And that becomes plus 5x because 4x and x is 5x. Now, I have negative 15x on the left and 5x on the right. Just to be different, I'm going to cancel out. I'm going to use, let's see, which way did we do it over here? Yeah. I'm going to cancel out the negative 15x by putting 15 positive x's over there to using the inverse property. So I'm going to add 15 positive x's to cancel out the 15 negative x's. But to keep the equation balanced, I have to do that over here as well. And the result of that will be negative 15x and positive 15x. Those are opposites, so they cancel each other out. That's 0. 0 plus 27. Well, I don't need a plus if it's not being added to anything. 27. Putting plus 27 is kind of silly because it's positive, of course. Equals 12, and I've got 5 positive x's and 15 positive x's. That's 20 of them. 20 x's. Now, again, I could have just looked at this. Let's see, what color do I want to use? I'll use red. 5x, or I got 5x, oh gosh. 5x on the right side of the equation and 15x on the left side of the equation. How much more than 15, negative 15, is 5? 5 is 20 more than negative 15. Look, I've got 20x over here. None over there. I've got 20 more on the right than I do on the left. 20 more on the right. 5 is 20 more than negative 15. So you can think about it that way. And of course, keep in mind that we have not finished solving the equation. We would now have to go back to our Xbox, or we could continue to manipulate by using by using the inverse property. For example, I could cancel out this negative 12 by putting 12 positives over here. I'd have to put 12 positives over here as well. But you can finish with the Xbox.